Hey guys, what's up? This is Trideep, and you're watching a brand new episode of Learn with Trideep. Recently, what happened is that in a recent post in LinkedIn, where I had showed the latest possibilities of MidJourney version 4, and people found it really, really interesting. So there was a humongous amount of comments, likes, and all these things was happening in the thing, and people felt that MidJourney V4 can be a game changer when it comes to creating UX and UI designs. Okay, so I cannot say much about UX at this point of time, which is user experience at this point of time, but I did certain amount of experiments putting lo-fi wireframes in the system in the Discord channel of MidJourney, and it gave me pretty decent results of a mock-up or mood board, that you can say. Say for example, I had given this particular design, this particular lo-fi UI in the MidJourney Discord bot, and this is what I had done. I had cut the entire header section as a separate image, and I had fed the MidJourney bot, and I got decent result. So see the, if you see the hand gesture over here which I had created, even the header 1, header 2, body copy, button, everything has been maintained in a particular way. If you see header 1, header 2, button, and there is a, in the right hand side there is the character over there, everything. And then I went ahead and asked to create a full blown design mockup from the wireframe, from the lo-fi wireframe, and it did a pretty decent job. Just ignore the funny text over here. These are all I cannot say bullshit, but the basic thing that what MidJourney has thought, we really don't know. But what it has maintained, which is you have to see that it has maintained the logo position, it has maintained the header 1, it has given a body copy, it has maintained the button area, everything which I had maintained in the, see if you see the right hand side, it has the mentor or the coach, it has the menu system which I had mentioned in the wireframe, everything pretty much maintained in the same way. So it has replicated what I actually wanted. So the header section, the body copy, the button over here, the mentors section, everything is maintained very well. So in this particular video, my entire process is that I will try to showcase what actually I had done, so that you people can take it forward from there and maybe give me some more information regarding this particular thing, how it can be made better. It is not that this is the end of the road, but the thing is that MidJourney version 4 is a game changer, in the sense there are a lot of things it is doing very, very correctly in the right direction. So let us see how we can do the same thing. I will show you the process step by step, and I will show that how we can feed in a wireframe, a lo-fi wireframe, hand-drawn wireframe on paper, scanned it and put it in the MidJourney bot, and how it can actually replicate or mold or transform, metamorphose that particular UI, the lo-fi wireframe, to a somewhat finished mock-up for you. Right at this point of time, not very much information coming, in the sense how coders can use this particular mockup to create the backend coding or the front end HTML, CSS coding, or a WordPress template. But at this point of time, this particular process can actually act as a very decent way of ideation, very decent way of ideating your entire process. Okay, so let's see what I have done. So I will close this window and open my Discord server. So yeah, so I will just show you what I had done earlier. I had fed in this particular design, which is this one. I have put a logo over here. I had put a bucket of chicken over here, and put some rough raise type of things, header 1, header 2, again a little bit of body copy, and then there are small blocks of hot deals, easy in pocket, and all these thing, combo deals, and the footer over here. So let's see how this particular thing can be metamorphosed or transformed into a full blown um, um, design mockup. Okay, so what you have to do, so for those who don't know this thing, there's a plus sign over here. You can click on this plus sign and you can actually um, put in your, so I have already created a wireframe folder. I will just put in this particular image over here, and you have say enter, and it gives you the image over here. Great. So you have to click this image and go to open original. Once you click the open original, your website, great. So you have to click this image and go to open original one, and you have to just select this URL link from here, and then come back to your Discord. As usual, give a image prompt to it, to Control V. This is an image prompt over here, and then you can directly go, as I had done earlier, you can directly go and copy this text that I have done earlier. I don't want to again recraft the text. So create a full colored website header, blah blah, like this, copy and paste it over here. I don't want to do the process again. So basically you are writing, create a full colored website header for an online fried chicken website. Great. And fried chicken website, straight design, don't tilt the image. Most of the time I have seen with my experience that um, uh, MidJourney bot tends to tilt the image in a particular way. So I don't want currently that particular thing to happen. So if you see in my previous designs, they had tilted the entire design and it has not come up what I expected. So don't tilt the image. Use color, red, yellow, orange, white, high quality images, full color, real, use real image, cinematic, widescreen graphic, high resolution image, 8K realistic, photorealistic, real mockup, mood board. Then you have to write hyphen hyphen v space 4, then give a space hyphen hyphen q space 2. No sketch, no illustration. Let's see what it gives. I press enter and let's see what happens. So it is kind of trying to render. So I'm using relax mode over here just to save in some amount of uh, cost to the entire experimentation that we are doing. So what it does, primarily when you see the first screen that happens, okay, it gives a colored wireframe of the same wireframe that you have put over there. So see, let it render. You will see that it has given a bucket over here, it has used a text over here, pretty neat. It has given a button over here, it has given some boxes and various other things. But what it has done, please understand, it has used red, yellow, orange and white as the colors that I wanted. And this is the once it is 100% done over here, I will do nothing. I will not take anything of it. I will simply copy this entire stuff, because this is a glitch that I have found out, and it pretty much works with me. And I paste it over here. Or what you can do, you can also click on a particular v2. These are variations, and um, this is the upgrades of these particular four images. So you can put it over here. But one thing I have noticed, if I put asterisk in front of this thing, then the mockup works. Otherwise it continuously work with this real image, this UI wireframe that I have given, and it only works on that. So I had added this asterisk, and then I have seen that it starts with the mood board, full color mood board. So you have to just add an asterisk. Let's see what happens. Or at the same time you can also, so I found this bucket thing over here is quite good. So I will just take this second one, and I will create a variation out of it. So this is a new thing, which is your remix. In version 4 it starts with the remix thing. That is quite nice. And I will click and try to do a remix also parallelly. Now see, since I have added this asterisk, see now what is happening. They started putting in real images, high resolution images, putting in colors, logo elements, and all the things like a real mood board. What I have noticed also, that many of the cases, I really don't know, funny chicken images come up as if real chicken has been roasted, which is very ugly. But what I want you to concentrate at this point of time, in the layout part, the images we can always change. This is basically giving you some level of imagination that you can use. So if I click on this, see now over here they have put a logo, they have put a bigger logo over here, then chickens, some chickens over here. And the second level of, if you see, the diagram also has some blocks over here, rectangular blocks. So they have, funny thing is that it has rendered some thing like half chicken half prawns sort of things that has come over here, which is very funny things that happens. If you see, if you deep dive into the image over here, it looks like a full blown chicken has been roasted over here, which is pretty eerie over there. But what I want to show you, that the level of detail they have started working on. Okay, so if you see over here, I had done a version 2 of also of this particular bucket thing. And what it has given a much more better detailed diagram of these chickens. This, so they have taken the bucket and they have put chickens in it and all these things. So let's see, if I just copy any one of this version, say for example I put the second one, say for example version 2, and I just put asterisk in front of it, what it shows. I've done nothing except putting two asterisks over here. So this will take this particular design as basic wireframe, and it will try to create mockup from it. So you can individually, till this particular thing again renders, we can just check some of them and see if this works with us. U1, maybe. If I'm not happy with the thing, I can always give a reshuffle, or give it an or a command to recreate the designs. So pretty much this is not working. So you have to always start with the design that you have started, the wireframe, and put asterisk asterisk. If you see, they are just trying to add elements. They have added two eggs over here, given some amount of imagery of this thing, but it has kept this particular unit as it is. Okay. So see, if I have upgraded this thing, so this pretty much gives you an idea what kind of layout you can expect. Okay. So see, I have asked it to refresh the particular render, and see, there are so many renders, new renders that it has popped up. It takes a little bit of time because I have taken a relaxed plan over here. I can obviously jump to a fast plan, but currently I am using relaxed plan because I'm doing a lot of experimentation, so time is not a problem for me. So once it has given you 100%, just see fantastic layouts already created from you, from your UI wireframe that you have already given. You have fed the MidJourney bot, so it is pretty much great designs to start with. We can always improvise. See the type of menu items at the top, the navigation menu they have tried to use. This is pretty good actually. If you see, even the text, the way they have laid out the header one, then the body copy, then the button header one, so it is pretty good in that way. So you can take this image as a standard, and then you can enhance your creativity based on this. Till now, MidJourney V4 can do as much as this. You can try doing experimentations on this so that you can make it much better. So for me, that is all for today. If you really like this video, kindly like, share, and comment on this video. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my Learn with Tridip channel in YouTube, and please show some love. I will go on enhancing on this particular journey from a wireframe, a lo-fi wireframe, to a complete mockup, and I will see with all other versions of MidJourney. Till now, this is what we can achieve at this point of time. I will ask all other creative people who are into this UI journey. They can also start doing their own experimentations and can feed in this particular platform. I think we will get a very good output in the coming months, and let's keep our fingers crossed. And till then, get on doing your experimentations. Goodbye and God bless.